This video will be on recent SCOTUS decisions. The first case I will discuss is Dobbs versus Jackson Women's Health Organisation. In March 2018, Mississippi passed and signed into law the Gestational Age Act, which banned abortions after 15 weeks of gestation. Jackson Women's Health Organisation then sued Mississippi state official Thomas E. Dobbs. The district court found against Mississippi, and the Fifth Circuit Court upheld the decision. In May 2019, Mississippi passed the Heartbeat Bill. The district court and the Fifth Circuit Court found against the state again. Alito, Thomas, Gorsuch, Kavanaugh, Comey Barrett voted in favour of the Dobbs and to overturn Roe versus Wade and Planned Parenthood versus Casey. The judge's heroism will go down in history. Chief Justice John Roberts voted in favour of Dobbs but against overturning Roe versus Wade and Planned Parenthood versus Casey. Breyer, Sotomayor and Kagan voted against Dobbs and voted against overturning Roe versus Wade and Planned Parenthood versus Casey. This decision puts the issue back to the states, as abortion is not mentioned in the US Constitution or the Bill of Rights. SCOTUS also decided the case of New York State Rifle and Pistol Association versus Bruen, which was about New York State requiring permits for concealed carry. The district court and the second court upheld New York's gun control law. Thomas, Roberts, Alito, Gorsuch, Kavanaugh and Comey Barrett ruled that public carry is a constitutional right under the Second Amendment. Breyer, Sotomayor and Kagan dissented on the grounds of reasonable licensed concealed carry and the state's abilities to regulate firearms. There was nothing about that in the Second Amendment or the Bill of Rights, or for that matter the United States Constitution. The case of Kennedy versus Bremerton School District was about a Christian gridiron coach praying after games. The district court and the Ninth Circuit Court found in favour of the school board. SCOTUS voted to uphold Kennedy's free speech and free exercise rights. Breyer, Sotomayor and Kagan dissented. This was similar to the 6-3 decision in Carson versus Makin that states Maine was the example in the case cannot restrict using school vouchers for faith-based schools on the grounds of the right to free exercise. Kagan, Roberts, Sotomayor, Breyer and Kavanaugh voted for the 5-4 decision in Nance versus Ward. Nance's legal argument was that his habeas corpus rights are being violated under the colour of Georgia state law. Nance had been sentenced to lethal injection, but he has been appealing for the firing squad, even though Georgia is not a firing squad state.